Inside a massive steel factory in downtown China, workers were transporting hot liquid metal in a large industrial container across the production floor toward a furnace. The glowing molten metal radiated intense heat as crews carefully monitored the operation, knowing how dangerous even a small mistake could be for everyone. But without warning, the container suddenly failed mid-transport. The support mechanism snapped, causing tons of molten metal to spill violently across the factory floor. Bright sparks and waves of heat erupted everywhere as workers ran for safety and emergency alarms echoed through the facility. What began as a routine transfer operation turned into a terrifying industrial disaster within seconds. At an automatic car wash, a worker was cleaning the floor near the machinery while the system was still operating. Everything appeared normal until he moved too close to one of the massive spinning brushes used to clean vehicles. Suddenly, the powerful rotating brush caught part of his clothing and pulled him in, spinning him around at high speed as nearby workers reacted in shock. After a desperate struggle, he managed to free himself. In a factory, a worker was driving a forklift out of a tight space when he accidentally caused another forklift to start rolling away on its own. Realizing the danger, he quickly stopped his own vehicle and ran after the runaway forklift in an attempt to stop it. But it suddenly tipped over, crashing down and landing on the worker as nearby employees watched in shock. Emergency procedures were immediately activated as co-workers rushed to help, turning a routine equipment movement into a devastating workplace accident. A team of construction workers was busy working on a building project when the structure suddenly began to fail, without warning. Cracking sounds echoed through the site, moments before the entire building structure collapsed, sending debris crashing down as workers desperately tried to escape the danger. The construction site quickly turned chaotic as dust filled the air and emergency crews rushed to respond. Operations were immediately halted while rescue efforts began.